What's up, man? How is going? Aurelio is back another time with another great video, but you stay attention, because this time I will not speak regarding my Starship or the Skylab original version, because in the last weeks I'm so busy in other things, because we are so close to the Christmas holiday and the holiday for the New Year. For this reason, I don't do nothing regarding the model kits, my model kits. And for this reason, I think that is a good idea to speak this time in this video regarding another project that I have done months ago. I will speak regarding this. Do you recognize it? Are you sure? No? Are you sure? Look, I show you in this way. Do you recognize it? Nope. It's not good. This time I will speak regarding the Dragon version 2 trunk. Yes. This is the Dragon's version 2 trunk. And now I show you. It's homemade, don't forget, it's always handmade. I don't use the 3D print because I prefer to do my models with my hands, and all my ability to make models like this. And now I change the position of my camera and I show you this piece, this trunk, this Dragon version 2 trunk in details. One moment, you stay in standby. I change the position of my camera and I show you this part of the model in details. This is so important, don't forget. This is always my habits. Also, this model is in 72 reduction scale, always the same. Okay, you stay in standby, please. Okay guys, now in this way I can show you all details present of the Dragon's version 2 trunks. And I started in this side. In fact, you can see the point of connection for the stabilizer. This is so close to the end. I'm so sorry, change the position. You can see. This is the master, and after I use the always my techniques to make a different copy of this part of the Dragon trunk. It's so easy, it's so beautiful. I show you in this way. Okay. For this trunk is necessary for me to have 4 pieces. This is the stabilizer, and now I go back to show you the trunk. This is the point of connection between the Dragon trunk and the launch tower. In this side you can see all this side, and in all this side the radiators present on the trunk, and in this point you can see the point of connection between the trunk, the Dragon trunk, and the Dragon cabin. The piece is full of details. You can see in the upper part of the Dragon there are a lot of particulars in the upper side and the low part. As you can see here, I show you in this way if it is possible. Look, this particular is present in all part of the trunk. We have an order here, an order here, and an order here, 4 in the forward part. In the upper part we have here a different details. This part is necessary for make is only in the master. When when I reproduce this part of the trunk, I remove this part and I connect it in this place. This part is the upper part of the trunk inside the Dragon. In fact, is the same. You can see a different details like the real subject. I show you. I try. Okay. This is the center. I show you the where I put this in this way. Yes, without this part. And in this side there are the solar panels in this part and in this part. Logically, in this case, I think that is a good idea to make decals that reproduce the solar panel in this part. And now I show you inside the trunk. I try to reproduce all the parts inside as best as possible and faithfully as possible, even though I have no idea what they are. And now, if I can, I show you. Okay, in this side you can see all details present. You can see here all the pieces that are present inside the trunk. Yes, in this way you can see all details. And to be honest, I am so happy because the work it was very hard, but at the end of all this work I have a model rich in details. Look, all this part, and I can use this trunk to reproduce the trunk for the Dragon cargo version. Always the Dragon version 2 cargo. This trunk is the first is for the Crew Dragon, but my idea is to use it or the same for the Dragon cargo with some upgrade inside the trunk. It's so beautiful. Can you see? Look, I show you in this way. I'm so sorry for the position of the piece, but in my point of view, it's so beautiful. Look. Yep. All details are very beautiful, are very perfect, and I'm so proud of me. Okay, guys, look. This is so important in my point of view. Look at this part. This is the part of connection with the second stage of the Falcon rocket. And I have 4 points of connection with the rocket. Okay, guys, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy for me. Okay. Now you can imagine the stabilizer in this part, like this, more or less. And for the crew version are necessary 4 pieces of these stabilizers, and for the cargo version they are necessary only 2 pieces. Okay, guys, and I show you so fast. Okay. Okay, guys, also this time we have finished. See you soon next time, and don't forget my dragon's trunk. It's so beautiful. I'm so proud of me. Don't forget that only in my channel you can find all very interesting subjects regarding the real space activity. The real spacecraft is not a sci-fi, are always real subjects. And in this case I spoke regarding the Dragon version 2 spacecraft, and in particular in this video I spoke regarding the Dragon's version 2 trunk. The reduction scale of this model is always 72. I prefer to use this reduction scale for the spacecraft. For the rocket I prefer the 1/44 reduction scale, and in particular subject I prefer to use the 24 reduction scale, but it's so difficult because I don't have a lot of space in my house for all these models. See you soon, guys, and don't forget, in this channel you can find very beautiful and interesting video regarding the astronautic activity around the Earth and around the Moon eventually. Bye!